I'm Virginia McGAthey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market today. Cattle was mixed. The beef exports are up, so you thought there would be a little bit of firmness in there, but the cash cattle trade is very slow. Beef prices are sagging somewhat, and that's kind of putting some pressure on the market. There is some short covering, and that's adding to some of the support, and that's why we got a little bit of a mixed bag today. And we've been waiting for some trade coming in at the end of this week, which would be today, a little bit after the close, and even tomorrow. So we're going to see if any kind of numbers come in that would give us a little bit of direction. So we're hoping for that. Interestingly enough, as feeders were kind of weak today, and I wonder if that's where we're going. And their trend is still lower, and it has been lower for the past couple of weeks. And it kind of diverged from the live cattle contract, and it has a lot of traders concerned. It seems the heavy momentum is really driving those futures, and there's been some overflow selling that's also pushing it down. So the outlook for the fourth quarter of 2018 seems to be a little bit bleak right now, but supplies are plentiful, and that makes it kind of difficult unless we have some more increased demand. Even though some demand domestically has been kind of strong, we need to move it more quickly in order for us to really offer some support for futures. Hogs fell today. The ample supplies are really weighing on the futures right now. We did get that run up off the bottom from the swine fever, from the NAFTA 2.0 really starting to work out a little bit better, but that news is kind of baked into the market, and it's difficult for the hog futures to stay where they are. But supplies are at an all-time high right now, and there's no surprise that that kind of weakness is weighing on the market. So it's kind of a natural outcome, but no doubt that more news about swine flu, and even if there's any tariff resolution, will definitely rally the market. So we're waiting for that kind of information right now, but who knows what the timeline really is going to be on that. And so the longer we wait, the more the market may start to turn. Some traders were thinking that maybe this got a little bit overdone, and we're due for somewhat of a correction, but maybe it was overdone really on the downside, and now we're at a place where we have some equilibrium, and from here we'll start to work our markets. But that being said, there's still a lot of volatility out in the market, certainly on that hog complex. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGAthey.